Hey YouTube, today I'm gonna do a little video on my powerhorse 7-ton electric wood splitter. Just got the thing the other day in the mail from Northern Tool. It's back ordered a couple months, but thought I'd give it a try and show you guys. Got some maple here, mostly all maple. Some pieces that should be hard to split, but we're gonna give it a try. We got some real big pieces down on the bottom there. But I'll set you guys up and we'll do some splitting. Just before we get started, just like to let you know this video is not sponsored. Please like, subscribe. And this is just me trying out the powerhorse 7-ton electric wood splitter. Enjoy. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is 11-inch maple. Pretty straight grain, but stalled it. Stalled it again. Well, there you have it, guys. Powerhorse 7-ton electric splitter. About this far over what we just did there. I'm busting through some pretty good stuff. Split that one more time. Also, what I do is cook stove type, so gotta be pretty thin. I think the best way to be holding this, but there you go. Split that pretty good, and that's the beast. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. See ya.